Dopo aver preparato il nostro pastello, quindi siamo nella fase,
After
diciamo
having
così,
prepared
iniziale.
the tramp, so we are in the initial phase of the puff pastry making. So we made our tramp, we kneaded it, we let it rest in the fridge nicely to bring the gluten to relax. We prepared our barrage, we laminated it, and we let it cool down, and now we're going to roll out our tramp. Remember that when you remove it from the fridge, maybe it will have some humidity, always pat it with some paper to remove the excess of humidity. We're going to use some flour and a surface that's suitable for products like puff pastry or short crust pastry. This is a marble surface in this case. Every time we roll it out, move the flour underneath. In this initial phase, when the product is very damp, it will tend to release a lot of water and a lot of fat part. So you always have to move the flour on top and on the surface of the working surface. We're going to try to reach the perimeter of the butter. We're going to take our butter and we're going to place it on top of the tramp, and we're going to close it. And here we have the first fold. So we're going to take the two sides and close it like this. Now we need a butter that's quite soft to avoid that during the folding phase we maybe break the butter because it's too cold and it might break the external part. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn it over like this. We're going to coat it in plastic film, always grazing the outside, and we're going to let it rest at least 1 hour in the fridge. Then we're going to take it back to start the layering of the butter. I always remind you that we're going to make one 3-fold, one 4-fold, and another 3-fold and another 4-fold, always alternated with 1 hour of resting in the fridge. And this is it with the making of our puff pastry base.